The DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the drone that redefines what mini drones are capable of achieving. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to push innovation even further. This drone isn't just about portability. It's about packing cutting-edge technology into a compact frame, giving users access to professional-grade capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting your aerial journey, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer. DJI is known for creating drones that balance portability and performance, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to epitomize this balance. Early leaks suggest that it will be smaller and lighter than many competitors in its class, making it the perfect companion for travelers and adventurers. The design is anticipated to be sleek and modern, with improved aerodynamics for better stability and efficiency during flights. DJI may also introduce water-resistant elements, making the Mini 5 Pro even more versatile for various conditions. The camera is undoubtedly one of the most anticipated aspects of the Mini 5 Pro, and DJI seems poised to deliver. Featuring a rumored 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, this drone is built for capturing smooth, professional-quality footage. The higher frame rate means you can record fast-moving objects with incredible clarity, making it ideal for action shots or dynamic scenes. But it doesn't stop there. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a larger sensor for superior low-light performance. Whether you're shooting at sunrise, during golden hour, or in dim environments, this drone promises stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and enhanced sharpness. With the addition of HDR capabilities and advanced image processing, the Mini 5 Pro might be the perfect tool for photographers and videographers aiming to elevate their craft. Flying a drone should be an enjoyable and intuitive experience, and the Mini 5 Pro seems designed with this in mind. Leaks point to an upgraded flight control system that uses advanced sensors and AI-powered algorithms. For beginners, the Mini 5 Pro could include an improved autopilot mode, making it easier to capture professional-grade shots without mastering manual controls. DJI has consistently impressed with its intelligent flight modes, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take these to the next level. Focus track. Lock onto a subject and follow it smoothly, whether it's a car, a person, or wildlife. Quick shots. Perform pre-programmed camera movements like rocket, circle, and droney with a single tap. Master shots. Automatically generate dynamic sequences, ideal for storytelling and content creation. Hyperlapse. Create stunning time-lapse videos with ease. Safety is paramount when flying drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to lead the way with enhanced obstacle avoidance technology. Leveraging advanced sensors and real-time AI processing, this drone is rumored to detect and navigate around obstacles with unparalleled precision. Flying in windy conditions has always been a challenge for drone enthusiasts, but the Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel here. Reports suggest it can withstand winds of up to 23 miles per hour, making it one of the most stable mini drones in its category. Battery life is a crucial factor for any drone user, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to impress with up to 35 minutes of flight time. As with any premium product, pricing is a hot topic. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to cost around $1,000, positioning it in the higher range for mini drones. DJI is expected to launch the Mini 5 Pro in late 2024, with pre-orders possibly opening earlier in the year. As we await its official release, the excitement continues to build. If the rumors are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will not only set new standards in the mini drone category, but also inspire a new wave of creativity among drone users worldwide. Keep an eye out for more updates as the launch date approaches.